Welcome. This is Jamb year 2014 government pass question. Question number 7 says one main advantage of bicameral legislature is that it one major advantage of bicameral legislature is that it when we talk of bicameral legislature, it means that we have what we call one upper house, the upper house, and two lower house. So there are two houses houses a bicameral legislature. So option A say makes for quick deliberation during emergency. B say makes passage of bills easy. C say is less cumbersome to pass bills. D is not easy to manipulate bills. So when you have upper house and lower, it will not be easy to manipulate bills. So option D is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.